When your security app suddenly won't load, keeps crashing, or fails to show your cameras, it can be frustrating, especially when you rely on it for live monitoring. With the Night Owl Connect, these issues are often caused by network problems, outdated app versions, or temporary glitches rather than a major failure. Sometimes the app opens but doesn't display any video feed. Other times, it may get stuck on loading or fail to connect to your device completely. This can happen if your phone and system aren't on the same network or if permissions are restricted. In some cases, the app simply needs a refresh to start working properly again. Instead of assuming something is broken, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore normal app performance. 1. Close the app completely and reopen it. 2. Check your internet connection on your phone. 3. Restart your phone to refresh the system. 4. Update the Night Owl Connect app to the latest version. 5. Clear app cache or reinstall the app if needed. 6. Make sure your device and cameras are connected to the same network.